Hi everyone, and welcome to our maths video. So today, we are going to learn a little bit about numerical solution that has two subtopics, which includes numerical solution of equations and Newton-Raphson method. Come on, let's get into it. For a certain nonlinear equation, such as this, there is just no exact formula to solve them. Therefore, we will use the common methods with two main parts. A. Finding an initial approximate value. B. Improving this value by an iterative process. The initial value of the roots of fx equal to 0 can be located approximately by two methods. 1. Graphical method, and 2. Sign changes method. In graphical method, it can be done either by plot or sketch the graph. You have to change from fx equal to 0 to fx equal to y and sketch the graph. The intersection of x-axis is where the root lies. Or you can rewrite fx equal to 0 into two different graphs. Take fx equal to 0 and separate into two graphs. Then sketch those two graphs. If both of these graphs intersect, then the root lies between the intersection of the point. Our next method is sign change method. Let's say an equation has a root between a and b. In this method, all you have to do is insert a and b into the fx equation. If the fa and fb have the opposite sign, then there's at least one root between these two values. Next up is our second subtopic, Newton-Raphson method. This method are used to find a better approximation the root of an equation. All you need to find is the initial value, the fx equation, the f prime x equation, and put all of the above into our Newton-Raphson formula, which look like this. Then, repeat this process as required, where the end value can be 1, 2, 3, and etc. Remember, if the question asks you to find the root, for example, in 3 decimal places, make sure you give another 2 decimal places in your working process. So, they usually gives you the initial value and the fx equation in questions, like always. But if there is no initial value given, then you can pick a point between two values like a and b. Pick one of them. It seems like I have teach all that you need to know. Now, we are going to continue with our friend Auni to guide you with the question.
Hello there, I'm Auni and I will guide you to solve a problem. Think you can manage? Let's test it out, shall we? So, this is the equation we are going to do. We start with showing that the equation ln x plus x minus 4 equals to 0 has a root between 1 and 3. First of all, we have to rewrite ln x plus x minus 4 equals to 0 into fx equals to ln x plus x minus 4. Then, insert value 1 and 3 into fx equals to ln x plus x minus 4. Since the sign of f1 is not the same as f3, there is at least a root between 1 and 3. Next, from the Newton-Raphson formula, show that iterative equation of the root is xn 5 minus ln xn over 1 plus xn. So now we have to differentiate our fx equation to get the f prime x equation for our formula. We only need to put both of it into our Newton-Raphson formula. After that, we change it into the simplest form. In conclusion, it is shown that the iterative equation of the root is xn 5 minus ln xn over 1 plus xn. Last but not least, hence, if the initial value is x1 equals to 2, calculate the root correct to 3 decimal places. Since we already have our initial value and the iterative equation, we only need to insert our initial value into the equation, then repeat this process as required. In conclusion, our root is x equals to 2.926. Yay! We finally you made it to the end of the video. I hope the video can help you understand more about how to solve a numerical solution problem. Make sure you hit the like button and share to all your friends. That's all, and we will see you in another time. Bye!